The next connected terminology or the term or philosophy concept associated with the random variable in extension to mathematical expectation is variance. Now, how do we define variance and standard deviation? These are the terms which are directly associated with each other. So, what is variance? Variance of a random variable x is denoted and defined as it is sigma square. The notation to be used for variance is sigma square, or it can be written as var x. Like in expectation we write it as e of x. यहाँ पर आप क्या कर सकते हो, var x. How to get this particular value var x? Var x is nothing but expectation of random variable x minus mu whole square. What is mu actually? Mu is mean of x. Mean of x यानी क्या होता है? एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ x. अभी आपने देखा जो भी एक्सपेक्टेशन अपन निकालते हैं either in case of random variable x or in case of random variable x square, the value for the expectation is always constant quantity. So here for calculation of the variance, we will always have to subtract that mean value from each random variable and then take the square और फिर उसका एक्सपेक्टेशन निकालेंगे, तब अपने को कौन सा क्वांटिटी मिलेगा? वेरिएंस ऑफ एक्स. So what is the formula or definition for var x, which is denoted by sigma square? It is expectation of x minus mu whole square. अभी इसमें भी दो बातें होती है. दो बातें होती है means one of the condition is discrete random variable, second condition is continuous random variable. So in a case of discrete random variable where probability function is f of x, आप कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे var x? Var x will be expectation of x minus mu whole square. Whenever we calculate the expectation, what is the rule? वो particular quantity multiplied by its probability function. What is probability function denoted by? F of x. So जिस किसी का भी expectation निकालना है discrete random variable में it will be summation x minus mu whole square multiplied by f of x. In a case of continuous random variable where the density function is f of x, sigma square, which is var x, is defined as expectation of x minus mu whole square. But how to calculate this expectation in case of continuous random variable? Integral from minus infinity to infinity x minus mu whole square multiplied by f of x dx. In case of discrete random variable, x minus mu whole square into f of x or summation. In case of continuous random variable, x minus mu whole square into f of x, integral with respect to x between the limit minus infinity to infinity. So variance is extension part of expectation. Extension part of variance is standard deviation. It is very easy. The positive square root of variance is called as standard deviation. सिग्मा स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर रूट लोगे तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? नोटेशन यूज दिस सिग्मा सफिक्स x. Sigma suffix x. It is positive square root of variance of x because square root possesses two different values. One of the value is positive and another value is negative. So accordingly, I consider only the positive value of the square root for the calculation of the standard deviation. अगर graphical representation निकालना चाहे तो this is your mean mu, which is expectation of x over probability function f of x. This will be the small variance and this will be the large variance. So graphical representation shows that how the value of mean expectation deviates from it in terms of variance, where we term it as small variance and we term it as large variance. So standard deviation is nothing but positive square root of variance of x. So expectation of x निकालो, variance of x निकालो, take the square root of that variance of x, you get the term that is called as standard deviation. Positive square root is nothing but the standard deviation for the variance if we are calculating. So this was all regarding the background of